नाचो धनाधन म्यूजिक बजाओ कह दो ये सबसे है सेलिब्रेशन नाचो धनाधन म्यूजिक बजाओ कह दो ये सबसे आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से चंद को बोलो उतरे फलक से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से चंद को बोलो उतरे फलक से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से
Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us virtually to celebrate my mother's 60th birthday. This also happens to be the month where she's retiring. So thank you all for your lovely wishes and messages. To start with, Mom, I have a message from Dad which he has asked me to read out to you. So here's how it goes. Dear Pratima, I wish you a very special 60th birthday and congratulate you for achieving this milestone event of your life. You have been a wonderful wife to me and stood by me through those trying and difficult days. In spite of the setback I had to face, I could live with dignity and respect with your love, support, and care. Also, you have been a great mother to Aditya. Attaining 60 years of age does not mean that you have nothing to do in your retired life. You can keep yourself busy with some of the activities which you wanted to pursue when you were working but did not have enough time. I once again wish all the best things happen to you in the days and years to come. I pray to God to bless you with good health and peace. Thank you, Dad, for these wonderful wishes, and I'm sure Mom appreciates you and everything that you do for her as well. So, Mom, this is from me. Happy birthday! I'm sure you're gonna have a fabulous day. Also, congratulations on your well-deserved retirement. You have been our pillar of strength, and thank you for everything that you have done for me and Papa. Whatever I am today is because of you, and all credit goes to you. So it's time to sit back, relax, take things easy. I'm sure you might have planned something to do in your retired life, but take it easy and know that we are always there for you and we love you a lot.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Hope this day brings you all the wonderful things you hoped for. Enjoy this day, and I wanted to let you know that you've always been there to guide us, been our confidant and always, helped us through all the difficult stuff in our lives. And also, happy retirement. It's time for you to kick back and take it easy and enjoy this new phase of your life.
Next, it's time for you to listen what your dearests have to say about you. Enjoy.
ಹಾಯ್ ಪ್ರತಿಮಾ, ನಿನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಬರ್ತಿಡೆಗೆ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ. ಈ ಮಲ್ಲ ಮರ್ಮರೆ ಈ ಮದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬತ್ತಿನದ ಯಾನೆ ಬೊಂಬೆಯಾಡಿ ನೆಡಪ ಅದೇ ತಿಂಗಳು ಇತ್ತೆ ಅದ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಪ್ಪಮ್ಮ ಗಾಲೇಕ ಅತಿ ಉಳಿತಿತ್ತ ಪಕ್ಕ ಯಾನು ಊರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಿಕ್ಕೊಂತ ಅವನಿಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ದಾಂಪತ್ಯ ನಿಕ್ಕೊಂಚೂರು ಕಷ್ಟ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಮಗನ ಹುಷಾರು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ದು ಅದನ್ನು ఆయన వెళ్ళిపోయారట్ల నిన్న ధైర్యట్ల నిన్న ఉండేటి ఆయన దుమ్ముకోవడం ఈ పొరలు పుల్లారు ఇక్కడ ದೇವರ ಲೆಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಮರುಮಲ ತೆಗೆದು ಒಂದೇಟು ನಿಕ್ಕು ಬಂಗಾಳ ಒಂದು ಎಡ್ಡೆ పొరలోనికెళ్ళ జీవన దాంపత్యతో పొరలు పోవడం అంటే ఇక్కడ ದೇವರ ಆಯುರಾರೋಗ್ಯ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯಗಳು ಇಪ್ಪಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇವದೇವತೆಗಳ ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರು ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ ಎಂದು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮತ್ತು ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿನ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ.
Happy 60th birthday, Pratima. Stay blessed and healthy.
Happy birthday, Pratimaka.
Hi, Pratimaka. On this 60th birthday, wishing you a very, very happy birthday and wishing you loads of happiness and hope now in another 1 month's time you will be retiring and hope you fulfill all your dreams and wishes. Have a great day. Surely we'll be there, but together we'll enjoy.
Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Pratima. God bless you. Good health and happiness. Inchene pala kushi kushi tepula.
Hello Dodama, wish you very happy 60th birthday. Sending you lots of love and warm wishes on your 60th birthday. See you soon.
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಪ್ರತಿಮಕ್ಕ. ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಕೈಕಾಲು ಸುಖ ಕೊಡದು, ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಕೊರಡು.
Hi Pratimaka. Many happy returns of the day. Wish you happy 60th birthday. And at the same time, I welcome you to the Senior Citizen Club. People say that age is just a number, but for those who are in services, it is not, because it is a time to say goodbye to the job or the career you have been doing over the decades, to say goodbye. And moreover, the job which has given you all the recognition in the society, financial stability, and top of it, the love and care given by your own colleagues. Having said that, 60th birthday is a milestone to cherish. ನನ್ನ ಬರ್ಪಿನ ದಿರೋಟು ಜೋಕುಲ್ ಮಾತಾ ಊರು ಬಂದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತ ಇಡೀ ಶ್ರೀಲೀಲಾ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೂ ಸೇರಿದು ಈರ್ನ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇನು ಭಾರಿ ಗೌಜಿನ ಮಲ್ಪುಗ ಅಂಚನೆ ಇರೇಗ ಈರ್ನ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ಲ ಪೊರ್ಲುಡು ಆಪಿಲಕ ದೇವರ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ಕೊಡು, ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಕೊರಡು, ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಕೊರಡು, ಅಂಚನೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ನೆಮ್ಮದಿ ಕೊರಡು ಪಣದು ಎಂಕುಲು ಶ್ರೀಲೀಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲಡ್ದು ಎಂಗಲ್ನ ಹಾರೈಕೆರೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Hi Chicky, happy 60th birthday.
Hi Chicky, happy 60th birthday. I hope you have a fantastic day and cheers to your post-retirement life. I think you've worked too hard for too long. I hope you get time to more chill and take it easy going forward from now on. Please take care of Tiddi and please take care of yourself and hope to see you soon.
And lots of love.
Lots of love, that too, of course, goes without saying. Take care, see you, bye-bye.
Happy 60th birthday, Pratima. Have fun and stay young and healthy forever. So please remember, 60 is just a number. You are going to be always forever young. Hello, Pratima. We are sending you this cake from Mumbai. So cut it first, then eat this cake on your birthday. Happy birthday. Bye, Chicky.
ಹಲೋ ಅಕ್ಕ, ವಿಶ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ. ದೇವರಿರೆಗ ಆಯುಷ್ಯ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಕೊರ್ದು ಕಾಪಾಡಾಡು. ఒక ఇర్న రిటైర్మెంట్ లైఫ్ను ఎంజాయ్ మల్పులే. కాంగ్రాచులేషన్స్, ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే ప్రతిమక్క, గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ అండ్ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్. ఒక ఇర్న రిటైర్మెంట్ లైఫ్ను ఎంజాయ్ మల్పులే. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಅಕ್ಕ ಇರ್ನ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಒಳದೊಂದು ಲೈನ್. ನಗುತ್ತಾ ನಗುತ್ತಾ ಬಾಲಿ ನೀವು 100 ವರುಷ, ಎಂದು ಹೀಗೆ ಇರಲಿ ಇರಲಿ ಹರುಷ ಹರುಷ. ಬಾಲಿನ ದೀಪ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಗು, ದೇವರ ರೂಪ ನೀವೇ ಮಗು. ನಗುತ್ತಾ ನಗುತ್ತಾ ಬಾಲಿ ನೀವು 100 ವರುಷ, ಎಂದೋ ಹೀಗೆ ಇರಲಿ ಇರಲಿ ಹರುಷ ಹರುಷ. ಉಲ್ಲಾಸದ ಶುಭ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂತೋಷವೇ ಉಡುಗೊರೆಯು. ಉಲ್ಲಾಸದ ಶುಭ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂತೋಷವೇ ಉಡುಗೊರೆಯು. ನಗುತ್ತಾ ನಗುತ್ತಾ ಬಾಲಿ ನೀವು 100 ವರುಷ, ಎಂದೋ ಹೀಗೆ ಇರಲಿ ಇರಲಿ ಹರುಷ ಹರುಷ. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಟು ಯು, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಡಿಯರ್ ಅಕ್ಕ, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಟು ಯು.
Hey mommy, wishing you a very happy birthday, 60th happy birthday and
Happy retired life, Akka.
Many happy returns of the day.
enjoy and have a great day.
Welcome to Senior Citizens Club. Have a great day.
Have a great day.
And
Have a great
congratulations.
day. Congratulations mommy.
Wish you a very happy birthday, mommy. And an awesome retired life.
Happy birthday, mommy. May God bless you and grant you all the happiness. Have a great day, mommy.
Hey, mommy. Many happy returns of the day. Hope you have a great day and a great year ahead. Also, congratulations on your retirement. Hope you have a fun-filled retirement and hope to see you soon. Take care.
Many happy returns of the day. ಇರ್ನ 60th ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇಗೆ ಇರ್ನ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಶಸ್ ಕಲ್ಪಡೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ನ ದಿನ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಲ್ಪ್ಲೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಇರ್ನ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆದ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಲ್ಪ್ಲೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾಯ್ನದ್ ಬೇಗ ಮ್ಯಾಂಚೆಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಬಲೆ ಬಾಯ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ
Hi Dorama, wishing you a very very happy birthday. Hope you have an amazing day and year ahead. We will celebrate your birthday and retirement again in December. I can't wait to meet you all. Lots and lots.
Happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. Happy